welcome to my channel. My name is Leia and today we'll be unboxing my ColourPop order that I actually placed in March and now we're in June, but due to the worldwide pandemic that's happening, they weren't able to ship as soon as I placed my order. Okay, and I am in Canada. And I just want to tell you, if you're Canadian, I did not have to pay duties. You have to pay a minimum amount for shipment internationally, and then I didn't have to pay duties. Okay, so there was a card, spring it on, and I ordered pallets, pallets. Okay, we have 3 larger pallets, the 12-pen. Okay, the first one is called whatever palette. Okay, this is the outer packaging. And this is the palette. So you could create beautiful warm look with this. You have oranges and a different shade of like coral orange. We have glitter. There is 7 mattes, 3 shimmers, and 1 glitter. Beautiful for summer. Beautiful. Okay. The next one is California Love. Okay. Oh, so nice. Okay. Here we have a beautiful orange color matte. We have 1 glitter color, 3 shimmers. I think this is a shimmer. 3 shimmers. Oh no, and there is another one. 4 shimmers. And the rest are mattes. This is beautiful for summer, all year round. Very nice palette. I wanted this one so much. Okay, so this is the COLOURPOP. Beautiful packaging. Oh, so nice. This is purple lavender palette. How gorgeous. Okay, you have a 1 glitter in here. I know a lot of people don't like it. I don't mind it. It's messy, so I don't use it all the time. You should definitely use a glitter glue. It's gonna stay better on your eyes, but there's definitely still a fallout, and make sure that it does not get into your eyes. But it's beautiful. Okay, then we have another 4 palettes, and they're a bit smaller. I'm so excited about those. Okay, so Nude Mood. Beautiful roses. And inside, I didn't see that clear thing on the larger palettes. Okay, let's see here. Beautiful nude palette. Beautiful. There's a nice like pinkish champagne color. Oh, I love it. Okay, so that's Nude Mood. Okay, the next one is Blush Crush. And those tones are more pinky, blushy. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, and we have 2 more to go. Going Coconuts, everybody talks about it. This is a cool tone palette, a nude cool tone palette. This one has a different packaging. It's plastic versus the other ones, they're carton. And the mirror is covered with this soft pink. Yeah, it's beautiful. Cool tone, beautiful. So you have 3 mattes right here, 2 mattes here, and those are just beautiful. Yeah, those are shimmers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this deeper one is also a shimmer. Okay, and the last one is so nice. Making Mauves. Yeah, yeah. Okay. And so beautiful. Okay, so that's definitely a mauve palette, as we realized, because it's called Making Mauves. I love the deeper shade in here. You could combine those two for a lighter look and deepen it with something here, or if you want to go a bit burgundy, this is a beautiful burgundy color. You can make quite a few looks out of that small palette. Okay, that is all. Thank you so much for being here with me. And please subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you next time.